Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Google Ads conversion tracking to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So, if you simply head over to your online store and preferences, you will be able to realize that we do not have any by default option for Google Ads integration. So, for this, what are we going to do is we simply need either to get an integration from the App Store, or you can generate a key. So, if I simply head over to apps and then apps and sales channel, through this, you can easily develop your app that is going to incorporate Google Ads conversion tracking onto Shopify. If you have any type of questions, feel free to let me know and I will be more than happy to assist you. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.